Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Bom dia. Today I have 9 euro session, ticket number 32, 33, 34, 32, 33, 34. Palabras sorturas, lucky words. I'm gonna use normal coin. Okay? On my M and Jessica and M and my dancing tripod. Okay, no. J and Z. Okay. How about BS for bullshit? B is for bullshit. B. Only that. Q and R. 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 I and my dancing tripod. L and I. 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 N and O. 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 N. O. U and C. U. C. The N here. Okay, U and C. P and H. I think the most useless. I need F to win, but they don't give me, of course. X and T. Sure. X and T. No E. I have O, I, and U. Okay, so this is I. There's L, but no E. I have U. A lot of missing that I don't scratch. Okay, confirm is not the winner. Okay, so not the winner. Ticket number 33. Let's go to ticket number 32. J and P. What? Nothing. There's P. Okay. F and D. F and D. D. F. And no more. S and N. S. And U and L. There's no U. There's L. Where's the U? There's no U. What the hell is going on here? No U. Or I don't see. It's there's L. Ah, Jessica. Okay. V and I. I, V, I, I, T and C. T and C. There's G here. T and what? There's G here. I, T and C. Nada. E. E, 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 R, 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 and E. There's L, I, Jessica. Ah, the most useless letter. And the last one? Ah, Q, become worse. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, not a winner. 33, 32. Let's see. 34 is a winner. Let's scratch the fast way. I'm getting tired of this shit. B, V. I need I to win. Give me I. Of course. Lair. L. No. What I have? U. A. E. No I. There's no I, but they give me all the I, of course. Mel. M. E. But no L. Pico. No O. No E. No I. Lair. No L. Not a winner. Wait, this is a winner. Where is the win here? This is a €3 win. Shit. Rio. Lair. B is a winner, but it's €3. Where is the win here? V. D. I. Ah, of course. There's no I. How come it's a winner? Mel. M. E. Where's the L? Where's the win here? T. Ah, sure. T. E. and U. B. Sure is a winner. How much? The famous €2, of course. When I scratch in a fast way, normally I win. Okay, I was thinking, where's the win? B is a win, but where? Okay, so it's a winner, but €3, okay? €3 sure is a winner, no doubt. No doubt it's a winner. Maybe I miss a lot of letters, but I don't like to scratch the old-fashioned way. In an old-fashioned way, guys. For me, it's a waste of time. But okay, sometimes I have time to scratch this because some people complain why I scratch. Some viewers complain why I scratch the fast way. Okay, there's a lot of missing letters. Okay, and my dancing tripod has a lot of S, but I didn't scratch. Okay, okay, so I got €3 guys out of €9 session. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.